Each and every person feels the presence of the conflict between motivation that comes from material real world and strange, often dubious aspirations which originate from something that is way above. In terms of that conflict, the supreme meaning of a human life is integrating your oddities into the society in the form of a certain product. In other words, living among people, you have to have the ultimate dream, the set of perfect conditions that would help you fulfill everything you came to this world for. Along the way to that dream, you have to keep the balance between healthy inner state and tangible results in the real world, which in its turn lets you feel that life actually makes sense. The dream soothes our intellectual apparatus, showing visible chances to see the reality around the way you want. Returning to individual oddities, they don't appear out of thin air but are channeled from above and received by our mind. Those are kind of instructions, and following them is like carrying out the order that was placed somewhere higher by the eternal part of our entity. As long as you stick to that frequency, there is a feeling of interesting life. On the contrary, let's say you are oriented only by social rules, behave according to the generally accepted scheme, and concentrate on common values and interests without understanding why on earth you need that. This pattern of living may provide short term benefits and make you happy for the time being, but later on, a feeling of anguish, despair, and senselessness inevitably sweeps over you. Ultimately, you are bound to lose even what was earned by obedient submission to the society. Simply put, the conflict between the material and divine matters is about forcing social rules and guidelines on you. Thereby, the material reality tries to convict us that the meaning of life is in children, proper behavior, serving certain ideals, and blah 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 blah. It could be anything. At the same time, the signal from above tells you to be a kid. Create a dream world for that kid and embed it into the society. So, living with the goal to build your own Disneyland gives a feeling of meaningful life. In contrast, resigning completely to the society and forgetting about the necessity to have your own playground in the end makes you lose a feeling of meaning. Giving in to attempts of the society to make you believe that a meaning is possible within the system of social values eventually leads to energy losses, depression, and other negative consequences.